Guys, it's Holly, and if you want to see how to do this makeup look, then keep watching. Oh, first, I'm wearing my sister's hoodie. Oh wait, you can't see it. It says sisters, just take my word for it. Yeah. So we're gonna be matching the eyeshadow to kind of go with the hoodie because I love this hoodie. So I'm using my Saturday Skin Moisturizer and just going to start by moisturizing my face. So now that my skin is all nice and moisturized, I'm going to take my Baby Skin Primer by Maybelline, putting that on my skin, not my nose, because you're not supposed to put it on your nose. So I'm just going to be putting that on my cheeks and my forehead and my chin. Just put it up my nose so much today, because whenever I have makeup on, I just had to rub my nose. So next I'm going in with this foundation, which I didn't know when I bought it that there was a whole thing about it because I don't really stay up to date with things. I think I'm going to go to a different foundation. I forgot what it's called, but I have one in mind that I'm going to switch to when this one runs out, or if I just change in color. It's like, you already have. This is the color your concealer should be. It's like, I'm aware. Okay, so now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm using my Hulu Benefit bronzer. So sorry I cut out a bunch of rambling, so that's what this is. This is me saving the video. Okay, bye. So moving on to eyeshadow, I'm taking my favorite palette, Morphe 35B palette. Let me just show you the whole palette so you know what I'm talking about. I'm using the mustard yellow, not that one, the pink and the orange. And I got stuff on my finger because the palette said I didn't want it to fall. So I'm going to be taking this and just doing my eyelid. next I'm going in with the orange color that you guys already saw. And I am just doing my own little thing. I don't mean to throw shade, but so, I can't put that in. I don't think she'll ever see my YouTube channel, but sister, I'm not a happy sister. Oh, I definitely can't put that in. Okay, I'm sorry, I had to mute the audio because I was throwing shade and I really couldn't put it in because I just can't. Like, it was too obvious. But let's just say I'm not a happy sister. No, we're not a happy sister at all. Okay, so next I'm going in with the same colors and I'm just going to kind of like under my eye. Sorry to do this again. I'm doing winged liner. Okay, so yeah, bye. So this is definitely my favorite mascara. I have not found a better one. Next, I'm actually just putting hair gel in my eyebrows, which is like weird. It's like hair gel. Yeah, long story short, I ran out of eyebrow gel and just syringed hair gel into this. And I'm almost out of hair gel too, so time to syringe some more. Oh my god. Next, to my favorite part other than eyeshadow, my favorite part of the face is highlight. So I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. So next I'm going in with this foundation brush and just caking on my highlight. And it's like, that's not the brush you're supposed to use, but you know. Taking literally like the cheapest brand of makeup. Oh wait, I'm done with this. And using LA Colors lipstick. It's matte. I love this. This honestly works so well. See, it's like smooth. Okay. It's definitely not like a cheap lipstick kind of look. I mean, it probably does look cheap, but I don't know. I think it's fine. Definitely, yeah, so this is the finished look with my ratty hair and everything. Like this video, if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, and then you can see more videos like this. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.